Hi guys, my name is Varun and in this tutorial I am going to demonstrate a RAG system built in Node.js using Langchain. I am using OpenAI for embedding and generation and Pinecone as a vector database. In Pinecone, I have created an index called RAG Langchain Node.js where you can see the storage of embeddings and chunks. The chunks are generated from a PDF called basic-concepts-gst. You can view this PDF file. You can also find it on GitHub. Alright, let's move on. You can download and install this repository by following the instructions mentioned in the README. Essentially, you need to clone the repo and install the dependencies and add the environment variables. Once you have set up everything, all you need to do is run the project using Node. Let me show you how it works on my terminal. So what Node does is, if it's first time, it will create the index in Pinecone vector DB and then parse the PDF and store the embeddings. It will then start accepting queries from the terminal and generate answers from the PDF. Here I am entering what is GST and you can see that it first generates embeddings and then fetches relevant chunks by querying the vector DB. The OpenAI LLM will then generate an answer from this knowledge base. You can see the answer highlighted in red and they match the content in our PDF file. Now let's continue asking more questions. We will see the generated answer and then try to find the same answer in the PDF as part of validation. For instance, I am asking who governs the gene stick council and we will wait for the answer. You can see the generated answer matches the information in the PDF. Let's try a few more examples and validate them against the PDF. For example, the system here you can see that system accurately fetched salient features of GST from the PDF, including all 17 points mentioned. Let's ask one last question. Alright, it's performing well. Let's try asking this question, definition of business vertical. So you can see that answer generated is directly from PDF. So this our RAG system is doing very well. Okay, so what will happen if I ask unrelated questions? For example, what is a pizza? The system correctly responds that it couldn't answer the question, which is very much expected. Let me try asking one more unrelated question. Very well. So you can see this LLM prompt in this file over here. So you can customize it as per your requirements. Thank you so much for having this tutorial.